Arweave as a whole was built to kind of prevent the possibility of book burning on the internet. Essentially, it's a data preservation network meant to archive information indefinitely. And Alex was kind of conceived as you know a way to show that through an interface and platform that people can interact with. So Alex at a high level is an archival platform built on top of Arweave. And what it kind of addresses is in current archiving platforms, the archivists who are entering information and storing that information are the people that also have to maintain that information, right? They have to pay for it. They have to, upkeep on the website and things like that. What we wanted to do with Alex is offer anyone the ability to create their own archives that can be stored in perpetuity. So anyone has the ability to go through Alex right now and create their own pool of information. We refer to collections of information as pools, which are essentially topics or ideas about a current event or an idea that someone finds interesting, and they are able to create pools and receive contributions from sponsors who find that pool interesting, and those contributions are used to pay for the storage of data or artifacts, as we refer to them, on the Arweave network.